Right now, invisible forces are moving inside every speaker, and almost nobody knows what's actually happening inside. You press play. A song begins. The music was never stored inside that speaker. Sound is being created from scratch, thousands of times per second, from a whisper-thin cone of paper, from a coil of copper wire thinner than a human hair, the machine that turns electricity into emotion. How does a single device reproduce the exact difference between a violin and a cello? A device with no brain, no memory, and no software. It begins in 1876. Alexander Graham Bell patents a strange device, a thin membrane, a magnetic coil, converting voice into electricity and back. But it was barely a whisper. The world needed more. In 1898, Oliver Lodge attached a metal cone. Sound had direction. 1925, Kellogg and Rice invent the moving coil loudspeaker. The same design is inside your phone, your car, your television today. 100 years, zero fundamental changes. Pull back the grill, remove the housing. See what the speaker actually is. A transducer, converting electrical energy into mechanical, then acoustic energy. The cone of paper, vibrating forward and back, compresses and releases the air. Pressure waves travel to your ears at 340 meters per second. The surround and spider hold the cone with near perfect precision. Only one axis, forward and back. No chaos, pure controlled motion. The voice coil, ultra-thin copper wire. This is where the magic begins. Alternating electrical current passes through, generating a magnetic field. Surrounding it, a permanent magnet. Fixed, powerful, unwavering. Like poles repel, opposite poles attract. The oldest law in physics. The coil's polarity flips thousands of times per second. Pushed forward, pulled back, forward, back, matching every oscillation. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the engine of every speaker on Earth. The speaker doesn't know music. It simply moves, faithfully, in response to the waveform. Compressions and rarefactions in air, pressure waves, travel to your eardrum. A 20 Hz bass note. The cone moves just 20 times per second. A 20,000 Hz tone, the same cone, moving 20,000 times per second. A full orchestra, one combined waveform, delivered to a single coil. The cone reconstructs all of it, layered, simultaneous, in real time. Not intelligent, simply obedient. The most extraordinary engineering achievement. A large cone, the woofer, moves slowly and heavily, perfect for bass. A small cone, the tweeter, light, nimble, vibrating thousands of times per second. The crossover, traffic controller, splits frequencies to each driver. The wooden box is not packaging. It is an acoustic instrument. Shape, volume, and materials of the enclosure are engineered with precision. The next time music plays, close your eyes for a moment. Think about what's happening inside that speaker. A coil of copper wire, a permanent magnet, a cone of paper. To reconstruct something that happened in a recording studio in real time. The speaker doesn't play music. It brings music back to life. If this made you see the world differently, hit that like button. Subscribe to understand how the machines around you actually work. The next video is already waiting. See you there.